Do you know if you put your scooter, if you have a scooter, if you put your scooter up, it like spins around? Tell me what your high score is on here. Comment down below and tell me what your high score is. Tell me what your high score is on here. Tell me what your high score is on the comment. And I think a subscriber just passed me. So make sure you comment down below. My high score is 1,167. I did doing this for a month. I'm sorry I haven't been uploading in a long time, guys. Go check out my other YouTube channel, Calling for the Game. I'm not going to be uploading in a long time on that one because I have to go get my phone fixed. Don't see any frogs. That girl is a real proud thief. Small world, don't need the wealthy. So, yeah, pretty much I have so much subscribers and viewers that honk the horn and say hi to me. How do they know my location? Did I accidentally show my house number or what? Or are they just like driving past and I see me? I don't know, guys. But just to tell you this, guys, if you ever see my number, never sell it, okay? Never. It's a real proud. Small world, don't need the wealthy. Hold on, I gotta fix my. Nope, nothing else in there. So we're gonna do some scooting stuff now. Let's do this. Let's do this. My friend told me that. Nope. That girl is a real proud thief. Small world. It's super windy. I'm sorry if you hear the wind. Okay, let me get this inside a good position. Then we can do some stuff.